Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel podcast. I'm at the Seaview Hotel by Wyndham near Galloway in Absecon, New Jersey, about 15 minutes away from Atlantic City. Walking into this very spacious room, see two couches, an area in the center, and a desk. When I checked in, I got a complimentary snack. They had various cashews, potato chips, and more. Very large table in the center or off to the side of this room, and lots of space between the table and the couch. You can see a chandelier at the top. To the side, you could see a Keurig coffee maker, water, and another shelf. And the desk, see a Philadelphia-style magazine, a remote for the TV, notepad, and serving up flavorful Jersey fresh goodness. 3 different restaurants to choose at the Seaview Hotel. Walking into the bedroom, which is a separate room, you can see doors off to the side separating the bedroom from the rest of the room. Large king bed, television in here as well, and some dressers, safe in the closet, extra sheets, storage space, and 2 nightstands. An area, get an alternate view of the table and the wider room. I'm arriving here in the evening, so can't see much of a view outside, but there is a pool out here. You can see various lounging chairs, and there are not 1, but 2 golf courses at this hotel. You can see some golf art on the wall. You can see Seaview Country Club, 1924, Absecon, New Jersey. And then pictures of the 2 golf courses, a scorecard. In the main walk-in area, lots of space for luggage and a door going into the bathroom area. Very bright in this hallway. 2 large mirrors, just a shower curtain, a tub/shower, and a toilet. Some more golf art on the wall. Coming back, this connects to the main room, so you get 2 doors to enter the bathroom, one from the master bedroom and one from the walk-in area. Get an alternate view of the side doors and quite a large room. This reminds me of having a 1-bedroom apartment, lots of room throughout this main area. So a nice stay at this Seaview Hotel near Atlantic City. I'm here for a 1-night stay before a weekday comp stay.